So I'll be showing you how to turn off the keypad sounds or the keypad tones on your Nokia phone. Now you can hear as I press the keypad and through the menus of this phone, there's actually a keypad tone for every button I press. So to turn this off, simply go to menu, and on the menu scroll and find settings. Select that and then select tone settings, and then scroll and find keypad tones. And what you want to do is reduce the volume all the way to 0. So you can use this arrow on this going this way to reduce the volume all the way to 0, and then press select, and that's going to say done. It means that setting has been changed. And now you can hear as I navigate through the menus, the keypad tone is completely silent. And that's basically how to disable or how to turn off the keypad tones on your Nokia dumb phone. Thanks for watching and good luck.